Partial or low 24-volt signals to the electronic control module can cause erratic operation or a failure to start. A marginal 24-volt supply usually shows up as intermittent faults, slow actuator response, or control logic resets. So measure the open circuit voltage first, and then under load using a digital multimeter set to the direct current range. If the voltage drops more than 2 volts under expected operating load, the transformer is likely undersized and should be replaced with one rated for the full running current plus a 20% buffer. Inspect wiring for high resistance points by checking voltage at the module terminals, while an actuator is operating and tracing any significant drop back through connectors and splices, cleaning or replacing corroded terminals, and using crimped or soldered joints where appropriate. Also check for poor common or ground connections because a weak return path can mimic low supply issues. Tighten grounds to bare metal and use star washers or conductive grease on aluminum chassis to reduce oxidation. If you see fluctuating voltage that correlates to other load switching, add a small surge suppressor or a 24-volt and direct current filter capacitor near the module to smooth transient dips, selecting capacitance appropriate to the module inrush and ripple characteristics. Document the measured voltages and conditions, and then retest after each repair so you confirm the fault is cleared and not just temporarily masked. Common mistakes include assuming a healthy no-load voltage means the supply is fine, which leads to missed under-load voltage collapse. Measure under load and replace undersized transformers to fix this. Another is overlooking wiring resistance from long runs or thin conductors, which creates voltage drop. Remedy this by upsizing conductors and shortening runs or relocating transformers closer to the load. A third is chasing module faults without checking the power rail first, wasting time and parts. Prevent that by making voltage and ground checks the first step in any troubleshooting sequence. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors that match their project needs and lets contractors list their services to connect with potential clients. We host a discussion community where users and tradespeople exchange real-world troubleshooting tips and installation experience to help everyone make better decisions.